New year, new laws. In a bunch of states, it's a new rules change come January 1st. What you pay at the checkout, what your kid can sign up for online, and what gets sold legally can shift overnight. Here are the biggest changes in 2026, state by state, and what they mean for you. If you live in California, say goodbye to plastic shopping bags at the store. Starting in 2026, they are banned statewide. If you forget your reusable bags, you are probably buying paper at checkout. California is also cracking down on companion chatbots. The law pushes companies to add safeguards when bots interact with minors or when a user is expressing suicidal thoughts. It also creates legal risks for companies if required protections are not in place. Georgia's new tort reform package is a big one. SB 69 tightens rules around third-party litigation funding. For most people, you will not feel this day to day, but it can change how lawsuits get financed and how businesses and insurers think about risk. Tennessee is putting new guardrails around teens on social media. Platforms will need parental consent before minors can create accounts. Expect more age checks and more complicated sign-up process. Tennessee is also tightening rules around hemp-derived cannabinoid products. The law targets higher THC products, shifts oversight to the Alcohol Beverage Commission, raises purchase age to 21, and bans online sales and shipping. In Texas, a new law requires certain sheriffs to work with ICE through the federal 287G program. The state also sets up funding tied to participation. Supporters say it strengthens enforcement, but critics say that it raises concerns around costs and civil rights. Texas is also putting statewide limits on certain uses of AI. The law sets boundaries that include tools tied to self-harm, crime, unlawful discrimination, or certain sexual content. In Virginia, the minimum wage goes up to $12.77 an hour. Those that are paid at or near the minimum wage will see this show up right away in their paycheck. Virginia is also adding daily social media limits for kids under 16. Platforms will have to cap use at 1 hour per service day, unless a parent provides verified consent. Illinois is taking aim at squatters. The new law is designed to make it easier for law enforcement to remove people who are illegally staying in a home without forcing owners into a long civil eviction process. Illinois is also requiring paid break time for nursing mothers to pump breast milk for up to a year after a child is born. Bottom line, January 1st can be a switch flip in a lot of places. If any of these issues hit your household, check guidance from your state agency. Also, check with your employer, landlord, and school, or by the looks of it, the changes of your favorite social media platform. And stick with us for more updates on our website and on our YouTube.